Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Pai Nai Fun, and it's located just off Walking Street in Pai. It's actually just across the river. And that's probably the best part of this hotel is its location. It's not even 5 minutes to all the action. Nothing wrong with the room. A different kind of bed, but nice and comfortable nonetheless. And it was really nice and quiet there as well. Unfortunately, far enough away from the river that you can't hear it. Tiny little fridge. No mini bar or anything like that. This hotel cost me right around 1,000 baht for the night. I can't remember exactly what it was. I think it was just under, I'm not sure. Bathroom, nothing special but okay. This hotel is considered 3 stars on Agoda. It only has a 7.6 rating out of 10, which is nothing special, that's for sure, and only 637 reviews. Those with the turtle-shaped roof is a part of this hotel as well, and those rooms look nicer. And probably quite a lot bigger, but I didn't get to go inside one, so I'm not sure. Interesting roof nonetheless. Like I said, the best part of this hotel is the location. Not that there's anything wrong with the room or the hotel. Look around the grounds, nice and clean. That's the lobby where you check in. And breakfast is served there as well. My price did include breakfast in the morning. Customer service 5 out of 5. It was quiet, very few people when I was there, which was in February of 2024. Right on the river. The river was a little low, or it seemed low to me. But it was really nice sitting there in the morning. That's the bridge. It's a suspension bridge, but it's covered in bamboo, so it looks like it's a bamboo bridge. It's rather bouncy, but just on the other side of the bridge is where the bars start and Walking Street. About 50 meters down the road after the bridge is a nice little jazz bar. Looks pretty nice, don't it? Better than the room. Still got the Happy New Year sign up. It was February. That's the backside of the building I stayed in. The road getting into the hotel is a little bit small and windy, and you need to be a little bit adventurous. This is where the turtle roof rooms are. I think they're just bungalows. They seem nice. No idea the price on those. Things look nice and green considering it was the cold season, and in the morning it was 8 or 9 degrees, so she was a little cool. This is where breakfast is served. Breakfast was nothing special. The rice soup was hot and tasty. The eggs, not so much. But the million-dollar question, would I stay in this hotel again? Absolutely. Just for location. The hotel is just okay. Nothing special, nothing wrong with it, nothing exciting. But location is everything. It's just far enough away from all the action that you don't have to listen to it. But a 5-minute walk and you're in the middle of it. And that works for me. Alright guys, that's it. That's my review based on my time here. Nothing wrong with the hotel. I would definitely stay there again. If you want to check out the prices on your date or find any hotel in Pai, I will put the link to Agoda in a video description. Tons and tons of smaller hotels in this town.